Hello everyone, today you will see Vlookup function and what are the application for it, like how practically you can apply Vlookup function. So let's say you have a report here. On day 1 this was the concrete quantity consumed, day 2 day 1 steel quantity consumed, block work and plaster quantity consumed. On day 2 we have different sets of quantity consumed. Similarly for day 3, day 4, 5, 6 and 7. Now you are asked that you have to calculate total amount till day 7. What is the amount we have spent on these concrete, steel, block and plaster. And you have been given a unit rate for it, for concrete, steel, block work and plaster. A unit rate is given and you have given the quantity. So now you have to calculate the total amount. So to calculate the total amount you need to put the rate here. Like for concrete it is 405 per bag. Okay, so total amount will be quantity consumed multiplied by rate per unit. Okay, so this is a simple multiplication formula. So once you do that you will get the total amount. Now doing it one by one will consume a lot of time, right? Putting this value per unit for each items and then multiplying it will take time. So shortcut for it is using Vlookup formula. So how Vlookup formula works? So first you have to put equal to, then type Vlookup, open bracket. Now what it is asking for the lookup value. So which value you want to look in the table. So I want to look for this value, concrete value. Okay, next put comma. After that, from which table you need the value. It is written here table array, which means from which table you need the value. So go here, this is the table, just select it like this. Okay, this table we need the value, then put comma. What is a column? Which column value you need back? So this is the first column. We don't need this value. We need rate per unit, which is the second column. So we will put 2 as a second column. We need the value there. Next comma. Now you need approximate match or exact match. So we need exact match. So I will double click on exact match. Okay. Then close the bracket. When you press the enter, you will get the value. Now simply what you have to do is you have to drag it. Just click here and drag down the formula. So once you have dragged down the formula, you will get the value from this table. All the value you will have here. Like if I will change here the rate per unit as 500 per bag. Okay, so automatically it gets changed here. You don't have to again change the value here. Whatever the error part is, you can remove it. So to remove the error part, first you have to apply the filter. Select the entire table, go to data, apply the filter. Once the filter is applied, just click here, go to filter by color. Okay, then all the yellow color is filtered, just select all and press delete. Okay, now clear the filter. So you have got this value. Next what you have to do is simply multiply. Okay, now whatever is the 0, again you have to remove it. So same filter by color and delete. Once you have done this, you have got the total amount. Now only thing you have to do is add it, equal to sum function we will use, open bracket. Then select the range you want to add. Just select the range, close the bracket and press enter. Here is the total amount which we have consumed till day 7 for these materials. I hope you understood it. It's very simple Thank you.